Today we're getting ready to do some forge welding with wood. One of our most asked questions with these forges in person and in some of the videos is, does it get up to forge welding temperature? And to answer that, we're going to do some forge welding, hopefully, and then run it through some stress tests. We're going to bend it and twist it and try to expose any flaws that are in there. Here I'm just cleaning out the draft tube and the holes for the draft tube. We'll need plenty of airflow to make sure that we can actually get up to forge welding temperature, and we're just blowing it all out. Right now I'm building a wood fire, not a charcoal one. The net result is that the wood fire will become charcoal, but it burns colder overall. To get up to forge welding heat, you need a higher heat in the fire, and usually charcoal is the better answer for that. Since it's a little bit unusual to try to forge weld with wood, we're going to go through some extra steps. I'm building a really deep bed of wood so that as the wood burns down, we can have a deep bed of charcoal. The point is that you don't want to add wood to the fire because it will cool it down as you're trying to get that material up to heat. So here I'm getting some flux on. I'm going to stick it back in the fire. It's a good illustration of like how much I had to fiddle with this. I found the hot spot and I inserted it, and I had to wiggle the billet up and down in order to keep it in the hot spot, because as the wood collapses and shifts, it lets a lot of heat out. So it just took a long time to chase around. I had to tap down the fire and the charcoal bed to keep those voids from forming as much. So here it's just a lot of fiddling and tapping to get it to sit in the hot spot. As you can see, I didn't quite get it up to a yellow-white heat in the raw wood-fired forge today. So in order to increase our odds of getting a successful forge weld, I grabbed a 10-pound sledge and struck it while my wife held it. I mean, look at the tip up there. It's almost no line. See that?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
This side, a little bit line, but
I don't
fades
know, but
here.
yeah, it does fade right there.
We didn't get really good hammer blows back here, so it probably, if it's going to be welded, it's going to be welded from here up, maybe.
Yeah, we'll die grind it in half and see.
Yeah. All right, we will. And here I'm just switching to charcoal. I like working with charcoal better. It gets the material up to heat faster, and it's just a lot more fun to work with. So here we're going to do some stress testing on our, hopefully, forge weld. I'm going to take it and draw it out pretty aggressively over the horn of my anvil, get it down to about a third to a quarter of its current thickness, and just get it really nice and thin. Then we're going to take it and put a really sharp 180-degree bend in it, hammer it flat, then quench it, kind of grind to the edge and look for any delamination. I'm going to heat it back up and unbend it, flatten it out on the anvil, and then we're going to put a really aggressive, I think we're going to go up to a 360-degree twist on it and quench it and look at it again and see if we got any delamination.
There's a couple little lines there.
Yeah, I was going to say I see. Just a little line.
And on the other side, is there anything?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Is that going to be good? there is that little spot that we kind of suspected but isn't out. And then other than that, it doesn't appear like it's separated through all that. I'm just going to show you real quick how easy it is to get up to forge welding temperatures with charcoal as opposed to the wood fire. I've just got a little piece of 5/16 here, and we're going to make a little chain link real quick. Oh, I didn't take. Too bad. So that first weld didn't take, but with charcoal, it's really easy to get it back up to heat really fast and evenly. And with the second heat that I tried, it stuck really well. Whew, tongue's hot. Got a mostly successful.
Show it on the anvil.
We got a tiny bit of separation up there, but the other side looks good.
Is this the second chain link you've ever made?
Yeah.